This video begins in a serious courtroom setting where a sentencing hearing is about to take place. The focus is on Vanessa Castillo, who stands before the judge as her case is reviewed in detail. At first, it seems like a straightforward hearing, but as the discussion unfolds, the situation becomes much more intense. The court addresses a recent hit-and-run incident where Castillo failed to stop and help, a decision that carries serious legal consequences. As the hearing continues, it is revealed that this is not her first encounter with the law. Castillo was already on probation from a previous drug-related case, which makes the situation even more complicated. By committing another offense while under supervision, she violated the trust that had been placed in her by the system. This detail adds weight to the proceedings and shifts the tone from routine to deeply consequential. Throughout the video, the judge maintains a firm and serious approach, making it clear that actions have consequences. Castillo accepts responsibility through her plea, but the outcome reflects the severity of her choices. The moment highlights how quickly things can escalate when someone fails to follow the law, especially while already being given a second chance. Overall, the video sets a powerful tone right from the beginning, drawing viewers into a real-life situation where decisions, accountability, and consequences all come together in one intense courtroom moment.
So have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Castillo, I'm going to show you a document entitled Waiver of Indictment, Reading of Information, and Rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
And did you sign it?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to have a grand jury hear the evidence in this case and make a decision on whether or not to indict?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand your attorney has the right to have a passage of 2 entire days after service of the indictment or information and 10 days to prepare for trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering to a plea bargain agreement today you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this cause number?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived indictment, reading of information and rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Showing you the information, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the information?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the information as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of failure to stop and render aid in a moving vehicle? The range of punishment for that offense is not more than 5 years in the prison, not less than 1 year in the Bexar County Jail, and a fine not to exceed $5,000. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent? You need to speak up.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I believe she does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I do.
Ms. Castillo, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Oh, it goes to her hand. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived a right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the prison. There are no applications, and this will run concurrent with 2022 CR 3840. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense is at the plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
State is at the plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged in the information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? How do you plead?
Guilty. No contest.
All right, to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? All right, you're gonna have to keep your voice up. I cannot hear you. The court reporter cannot hear you. How do you plead?
No contest.
State any evidence
Your Honor, I submit State's Exhibit 1 and the attachments.
No objection.
showing you waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2022 CR 3840. Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, I'm showing you what's entitled, we're going to proceed in 2022 CR 3840, showing you what's entitled First Amendment Motion to Revoke Community Supervision and Motion to Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? Are you the same Vanessa Castillo who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 3840 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on August 9th, 2022 for a term of 3?
Judge, violated condition number 1, on or about the 16th day of April 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Vanessa Castillo, committed the offense of fail to stop and render aid in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, we waived the other violations alleged in the MTR.
Any objections to the waivers?
No objection.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 3 years in the prison and $1,000 fine? Did you understand?
Sorry.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, Your
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
Your Honor, we're asking that Your Honor, we're asking for revocation and 2 years incarceration to run concurrent with cause number 2023 CR 5104W.
Is that the agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow that agreement? Are you waiving your right to appeal? All right. The court will follow your agreement. The court will grant the motion, sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 5104W, showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you. You're going to have to make better decisions. All right, thank you.
Thanks, Judge.
Sorry about
As the video moves toward its conclusion, the atmosphere becomes quieter and more reflective. The decisions made throughout the hearing begin to settle in, leaving a clear message about responsibility and consequences. Vanessa Castillo now faces the full impact of her actions, as the final outcome is delivered and the case reaches its end. What stands out most is how quickly a series of choices can change the direction of someone's life. A single mistake, followed by another while already under supervision, has now led to a much heavier outcome. The process highlights how important it is to respect rules, follow legal obligations, and understand that every action carries weight beyond the moment it is made. The final remarks from the judge leave a lasting impression, emphasizing the need for better decision-making and personal accountability. It is not just about punishment, but also about learning from past behavior and recognizing the importance of change. The outcome serves as a reminder that opportunities for leniency are not unlimited, and when trust is broken, the consequences can become more serious. As everything concludes, the message is clear and direct: choices have real consequences, and life can shift dramatically based on how those choices are made. The video ends on a strong note, leaving viewers with a deeper understanding of responsibility, discipline, and the importance of making better decisions in the future.